So now we are live. Hello, what is up, guys? Today we are going to solve the problem of string C. So I'm also looking the question for the first time with y'all. Let's see if we are able to do it or not. So within these few days, I have understood that having a positive mind is very must, because if we don't, what happens is we act in a way that results might not come to us. Our mindset, our actions, which all will contribute to the negative thing. So let's just start with no any doubts or anything on ourselves. Being positive that we are now capable enough to solve all these problems, may it be easy, medium, or hard. So let's pray to our God. Jai Shri Ram. So how we will start is, let's understand the question. Given an integer array in which exactly two elements appear only two elements appear once, and all other elements appear exactly other twice. Find the total number that appear once. Find the two elements that appear once, and return. You can return the answer in any order. You must write the algorithm that runs at linear time complexity and uses only constants. So this is very much important. So there is one simple logic of XOR which removes the redundant things. So one XOR something will give that one XOR anything is some different value. One XOR 2 gives some different value. But we know that one XOR one will always give us zero. So that is our logic. So this will help us in attaining linear time complexity. Constant space will be our byproduct. So let's dive into our, what we say, notes. So I will share this approach of mine. I have created some steps to follow. Means I'm creating a template for myself so that there is a clear thinking of it. In which book it was? Yes, mostly in this. So if it is our first attempt, we will write info of particular problem provided. So let's write it down. Are you guys able to see the thing? Yes. So what information we are given? Two elements occur single time. Others occur twice. Our goal is to return this element. What else? So plus in linear time and constant constant space. That is it. So our intuition first step is done. So now goal is also understood. Understand the problem with different achievement. So we are given some examples. Let's understand the problem. That is the eraser. Why has it works like this? I never thought of that. I wasted some time, but that's not a big deal. The first example. Should I use a different color pen? Yes, I should. Understand high level flow. So what is the example? One, two, one, two, three, two, five. So here we identified 3 and 5 are the only odd values. So for the second one, -1 and 0, these are the only odd values. If length equals to 2, return as it is. This is our edge case. What else? Our edge case is done. Now, where's the pointer? Yes, this pointer. Second is also the same. Constraints are understood that very high constraints, so we can't use brute force approach of keeping a map. Each integer appears twice and only two integers that is known man. Companies, I don't have the paid thing, so edge case is also understood, example is also understood. So high level flow would be 1 XOR 2 equals to what, 3? 3 XOR 1 equals to what, 2? 2 XOR 3 equals to, so 2 is 1 0 1 1 equals to 1. 1 XOR 2 equals to 3. So 3 XOR 5 equals to 4 is this. This is 5, this is 4. So this will result in 1. What is known to us is A XOR A equals to 0. How we will find the two odd values? This is quite simple. The next step, the high level flow is also known. The brute force. In here there is no brute force or thing. There is only one solution, that is the optimal one. Hmm. 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. Linear times constant space linear time. So if we sort it, it will become n log n. We can't do that. XOR is the way, that is also known. How we will store this two value? Am I missing on the logic of XOR or something? A XOR B equals to B XOR A. So after finding this value, we can, that will become n square. What I was thinking is, for this all value, for this and this all, we can do compare now then this and this, which what is resulting in one. But that is a very tricky thing because there can be many instances with same, and it is also causing what we say time limit exceeded because of n square. So what we can do is in place we can do mm, currently we will store one, then we will store first two we will store. It will result in some value. This we will store in a of 0. Then we will take next two. So what we can do is what are the hints? Can we use hints? There is no hint. Let's see the single number sum. That is easy one. Man. Single. Second we have not done. Given an integer array where hmm. So I was not able to understand the second one. There is nothing more than extra. There is more than extra. So what is the solution? Demon level explanation. So a single number for some time. Let's see of what is Malik saying. A single number 3. In this problem we have given an array and we have to tell those two numbers. Those two are not in the pair. Before solving the problem, let's discuss single number one. I don't want to discuss it. This is the main crux, I think so. So if we have given an array and all the numbers are in the pair except one. Let's look at that number. So we have two pointers for pointer 1 starting from index 0, second from 1, increment pointer to see if element at index already exists. If it does not exist, does not exist. Okay, okay. Is a single number. We can still we can optimize by keeping a map. Okay, then bit manipulation. So for so we all have this right. Now we do previous example. So what we have learned from this is we took the XOR of all values in the end and we did the XOR with 1. What we have actually did is XOR of 0 with X, always be X. Eh? So what we have learned is from this we took XOR for all values and in the end we did the XOR with the one with the one. What we did actually is XOR of 0 with X will always be X. So what we have done is let's say our array is this. Okay. When we are going to XOR, when we when we XOR this, our single number will be R. If in total we take XOR of this element and we get a single element in the end. Because the pair XOR will be 0, XOR of the first single element will be single element. Okay, XOR of 0 with anything will be the element itself. This is something new learn. I don't want to code this thing. Huh? I do not want to code this single number one right now. But if you look at the code of now, let's see. Yes, we know this pointers and maps. This we have to think. Other thing we learned today is A XOR 0 equals to Approach 3. Should we do on our own one more time or what? Let's do it. What we will do is we will take a smaller example. Are you able to see, listen to the dogs barking? So what we'll do is 0110 XOR will be 1. So truth table, if you don't know, 00 will give us 0, 01 will give us 1, 10 will give us 1, 0, 11 will give us A, B, A XOR B. You can't see the screen. My bad. Let's go. 1 XOR with this done 0110. This is giving us 2. This is giving us 1. What we understood was, so 10 is the one value and 3 is one value. I don't understand till now. So let's understand the plus. Let's understand this one. We can solve. We have to solve O of n and one space. We are going to use the same logic, that is bit manipulation, but a little tricky. Till now, single number we looking for this. In this what situation we are having, we got two single numbers. Yes, all of them got pairs. It doesn't matter. Both have to be adjacent. It could be placed anywhere. So if we have the XOR of all these values, we will get P is P XOR Q. P XOR Q is known to. For P XOR we can do is we going to group, we are going to do grouping of these two, and we are going to put P XOR R in different groups. So how we going to do this? Using the above example, 1 XOR 1 element will be 0, but we are going for 3 and XOR of 3 and 5, and we have their XOR 2, which is 1101. That is what? 2 plus 4, 8. Is it 8? Yes, it is. 2 plus 4, 0, 1, 2. 2 to the 4, yes. It is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 it is. So for this XOR last bit, so we can see, so for this XOR last bit, we can see the that is same. That means 0 XOR 0 or 1 XOR 1. XOR last bit, which means the first value would be 1 and other would be 0 or vice versa. We calculate this thing by doing what? will happen is we group them. Okay. 0010101011 So in one case, post will contain all 0 and 1. In other case, it will contain mm, let's mute my phone. How are the groups created? Okay. Till now, all the elements in the right had the same value. What all possibilities can be? Eh? Okay, so this is constant and 0 and 1 is constant for the center, two parts, two possibilities. In front 1 1. Okay, so if 0 1 means if 1 is present over here and here is 2, this is one possibility. If the second is 0 and value is 1 and here also 1 is present, so why over here this one is there? Okay, order doesn't matter, na? Order doesn't matter. N- Now if we take X or inside the group 0 and 1, we are left with one value. Okay, after the group, there is only one value. So where are the group code? Why is this thing done? Let's ask ChatGPT. Open AI. GPT.com they have done directly. Why is AND operation done? Find the rightmost set bit. Minus is the 2's complement of OK, which is equivalent to flipping the bit of and adding 1. So only two groups will be created. Why two groups? All values with the secondmost zero and all values with the secondmost one. All two groups will form. That doesn't care what other things are. So if we XOR it will give. Why this will have only one is a mystery for me. Int num in nums again. Okay. So what is happening is for that nums and lowest bit and this equals to 0. Since nums contains even values, it will become 0. Since num contains even values. So all of these possibilities, even possibilities with this bit as 0 are taken into consideration. All the even possibilities are taken out and only the remaining one is our lovely first or second value. So what our second step was, understand the problem in different edge cases. Try brute force, dry run, high level flow. Should we high level flow? Here should we show the logic? Here what we will do is in brute force, first approach, then dry run. High level flow is not needed, according to me currently. So what we will do is brute force. No, optimal. This is let's first write brute force, which is two pointer, which will give us O of n square. Find for each value its duplicate. If not found, add to array. What is that better approach? I think so. You can't see the thing. Better approach. Better approach. Better approach. Think. Think. Better approach was map. Keep count of occurrence for value. Get value that is key for occurrence that is value key value pair occurrence of 1. Optimal O of n O of n time and space. Optimal is bit manipulation. How does this go? Hmm. Intuition is not given. Yes, intuition is not given. Will we do first dry run then approach? No, first dry run. XOR whole array. After this, get lowest bit with non-common value. So what if the lowest bit of one's complement? Why is two's complement taken? How it is done is using what ChatGPT had said. The expression isolates the rightmost bit difference between. Okay. For example, let's do that one. Using two's complement. A equals to 6. What is 110? Two's complement of A equals to, so first bit first zero will remain as it is. Then we will do reversal. No, till the first one. Then we will do the reversal. This is our value. Minus 6 equals to minus A or minus 6 equals to 2. So if we do AND operation over here, 1 1 0 0 1 0, and we will find, so I forgot to do calculation of two's complement. Two's complement calculation. One's complement is one's complement is this इसका reverse 0 0 1. +1 करेंगे अगर तो 0 1 हो जाएगा, बराबर है। Why is this not getting away? So if it is 0 1 1 1, it will become 1 0 0 1. So till the first one we will keep it as it is. From next onwards we will reverse. Right, it is. So AND operation, and the truth table is what I don't know. एंड मीन्स बोथ का सेम होना चाहिए। अगर दोनों 0 0 है तो 0, अलग है तो भी 0, सेम है तो ही 1। तो 2 अपना वैल्यू आया। इफ वैल्यू इक्वल्स टू नम, लोएस्ट using the lowest, we can split the array into two groups, one group corresponding bit। Okay, so what happens now is and truth table is A and B, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Another thing we learned is one's complement of what, 0 1 1 0 1 equals to 0 1 0 0 1, and two's complement of 0 1 1 0 1 equals to, the first one is marked, yes, then it is 1. So see, this similar. All in left reverse till first one is marked, all in left is reverse. So the third step of it is, where's my black pen? Who took it? From the chat, someone has taken my black pen. The third step is grouping. Grouping on what basis? Grouping on what basis? Value and right rightmost bit. Rightmost bit here what we call it the lowest bit not equal not equal. How we do this is we know the lowest bit is 2 and if the value is 3 we don't care anything else so it will become 0 and this will become 1. This is called this is called bit masking. If equal means group 1 else group 2. So grouping has been done. What is our third step? Third step is done. Fourth step is while grouping perform XOR. You will eventually get answer because all remaining get cancelled out. Grouping of all nums array. We know its time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of 2 which is constant which is O of 1. So without further ado, let's go into implementation. This is going to be shut down. What else? This is going to be erased. Where is the? We don't care. We just delete it. How to exit? This is the button for it. Code we know. We have understood. Code नहीं चाहिए अपने को. Uh, should we start? Are you guys able to see? Yes. Let's go for the description. So what we tell that XOR of all. I don't remember the value in XOR val. 0 XOR anything is 0 is that value itself. For int num in num XOR val XOR equals to num. Answer we have lowest bit in rightmost un, uneven bit un, uneven bit equals to what is uneven bit equals XOR val, and this is our second step, XOR val and minus XOR val. So running submit is called, yes. Then this is called running XOR. Running XOR. Second is, what is this type of? Finding the right most uneven bit. This is done. What is third? Grouping. Third and fourth. Also maintaining what we are maintaining. Result value by XOR operation for int num in nums if uneven bit and num equals to uneven bit. Group 1 else group 2. This is called bit masking. Answer of 0 is running XOR of num. Answer of 1 is running XOR of num. Return answer. This was quite tricky. Yahoo! DCC daily contest, daily code. I don't know. So this is done. Oh my god. I should have tweeted it. So first we will go into IntelliJ. At the same time, let's open Twitter. Why is it everything is lagging? Fireship, thank you JavaScript. Europe is super dangerous. Apparently there are landmines everywhere. That is a speed bump, man. One new follower is Saurabh Singh. Thank you for all the followers. This is my shout out to you all. What I have posted. Hashtag reward. for consistency. April, May. May reward for my May reward. Reward for consistency on the month of May. Let's go Dev Jobalia. Yeah, perfect. Shit, it's better. Let's copy this, paste it again. This is a marketing life hack. Share it with your committee as well. What happens is you have done only one post, but Twitter finds it you have done three posts. So I have joined two committees of DSS communities. I've shared with them. My reach increases by triple, not triple, because my profile views are quite low. See 42, 46, 44, 14, 2.3 million. It's not mine. I'm joking. Levels.io is quite a cool guy, man. I'm happy. I got 10 coins, 50 coins. Wow, 10 coins as well. So tomorrow is contest. We will be there as well. Our tweet part has been done. Our IntelliJ part is left. I will have to revise them. So let's add to revision. Windows V. What is called? String 2, string 3, string 2 is also left. 31 is the date, last day of the month. Our progress is 101. What is today's date? 31. Medium. Yes, it's not medium, man. For hard. Almost probably 327 is our thing. 328 will be today. Today's date is 31. Problem we know. Thing number 3. What is UN plus? What is UN plus? We are using an array. We are using bit manipulation. Manipulation. Today we completed it at 6:30. Why it's slow? Because OBS is running. When do you start? See on OBS 59, so it would 1 hour, like 30 around. Yes, we have copied some. We have to revise with manipulation. It is what else? Now we have to go to medium, new file, Windows V, escape, Control V, MD, optimal, video link my YouTube channel, not my developer YouTube channel. Real solution is at this brother. Three approaches. Oh, you weren't able to steal my whole screen. Not bad. There is our code. That is it. Time complexity should be right. It's not bad to not write. O of n. A is O of 1. Let's commit it. What is today's date? 34. Commit done. Okay, you guys with staying with me till here. Till then, bye bye.